So the purpose of this assignment is to learn how to write a research paper for college level students. So as you can see right now, I have the Word Project 1 research paper instructions pulled up right now. What we would like you to do is choose one of the topics listed below, so one of these or anything basically about how to manage personal files on a computer. And then below that we have the step-by-step instructions, and so I'm going to walk you through those right now. So let me close this. So what you're going to want to do is click on Word, open the blank document, and you're going to want to write a 2-page research paper as told in the instructions right here. And you want to follow the standard MLA formatting rules. I gave you 2 different websites that you can use to kind of find out what exactly we want from you or what the standard MLA rules are. But so when you write your paper, you're going to want to look for 3 credible sources. You know, and these right here are the things that you're going to be able to find on MLA.org or Purdue OWL. So, you know, 1-inch margins, Times New Roman, 12-point font, double space. That's going to be very typical of MLA formatting. We really want to make sure that you utilize spell and grammar check because they will count towards your grade. We will be checking for these. And we want to make sure that you use the Insert Citations button when trying to enter in a Word Cited page. So I can show you what I mean. This is going to be the example. What is a computer paper that you will download along with the instructions. This is one that I wrote as an example for you guys, so it shows you, you know, to enter in your last name and the page number. It shows you on the top left-hand corner, it wants your name, the professor, the class, and the date. The title is centered, not bolded, underlined. So you can read through this. This is a different topic, but this is pretty much along the lines of what we're going to want. And so the bottom here, this is your works cited page. If you're not aware, this is the page that tells us where you found your resources from. So I found Input and Output Devices by Thomas E. Beach at this website. And so if I went to go look up this website right here, sorry. It will show you the website that we originally used when writing this paper. So then, you know, this is just my example, so obviously you wouldn't be using this website at all, but it kind of shows you, you know, what we're going to want. So one of the directions says right here, number 4, cite your sources correctly using the References tab. Press the Insert Citation button and then insert your citations on the Works Cited page. So as you can see on here, I have my Works Cited page. If you click on it, you can see how it's all condensed into one small little box. That's because under the References tab, I went to Insert Citation and I have all of my sources that I used right here. You can also see it under Manage Sources. So these are all of the sources that I used for my paper. So what you can do, what Microsoft allows you to do is, so you hit References, insert a new citation, add a new source, and so mine are automatically saved from Document from Website, and that's what you're going to want to use. So author, you would click Edit, so you can do my name. And so then it'll have my name right here, name of web page, or name of website. I'm just obviously making up some website thing to show you. So you want the year, the month, the day it's published, the year, the month, and the date that was accessed. You're going to hit Show All of the Fields, and it tells you with the little red stars which ones that you're going to want to fill out. And some websites don't have a date that it was published. So, I mean, you know, if you can't do that, that's fine. The URL is the website address that you're going to want to enter for every single time you use a website, just so that way we can go back and check to make sure that you didn't copy the entire website or something like that. And everything else, those are things that you don't need to add in. And so you press OK. Oh, and that messed it up. But anyway, so that's how you would do it. So when you're ready to insert your Works Cited page, you would scroll all the way down to Works Cited. And since I don't have anything in there that I haven't used already, it just doubled my Works Cited page. The only thing that you're going to want to change about the way this is coming up is Works Cited is supposed to be centered at the top of the page. It's supposed to be the same font, Times New Roman, and the same size as the rest of your document, and you're going to want to make sure it's black. You're not going to want one that is blue or purple or any other color. So we can just go back through. So this is what you're going to want your Works Cited to look like. Yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask us on the course messages, and we'll be more than happy to help you and try to find a way to, work this out even though you're not here. So thank you.